Today on the video, I want to share with you one question that if you ask yourself, it's going to completely change the way you see yourself. It's a very powerful question. I use it extensively with myself, and this has made me a better decision maker. It has given me more confidence in situations that I otherwise feel myself a little bit weak, and has given me the clarity and has given me the identity to deal with circumstances that are otherwise very challenging. So, that all said, who does this video? Um, who should watch this video and who will benefit from this? Listen, if you're a permission breaker, then this video is for you. What do I mean by permission breaker? Somebody who needs external validation, some external approval to do anything. Somebody has to tell them that they need to do something. If that's who you are, this is for you. If you are a fear flipper, okay, that means you are, well, it'll make you a fear flipper. That's the right way to say that. So you're always scared of what if I fail? If I do this, what if I fail? And the answer to that is this will allow you to turn that around and say, what if I succeed? Okay. If you're looking for an identity upgrade, so that means you're constantly trying, constantly doing, not arriving, and you want to feel that you are already there and now you're doing it. It's kind of getting that confidence up. And this is for you. And this is also for you if you want your future you shortcut. What it means is, you want to borrow confidence from your future self instead of earning forward from where you are. Then this video is for you also. So here is the question. If I fully trust myself, what would I do next? That's the question. If I fully trust myself, what do I do next? Now, what this does, and otherwise why this question is powerful, is because many people make decisions out of fear and also from doubt, self-doubt, and also from the expectations of other people around. So three things: you have fear, you have doubt, and you have expectations of others. And these three things are directly responsible for the quality of the decision you're making. So this question, if I fully trust myself, what would I do next, is going to take you away from these three and directly puts you into the possibility thinking. So what it does is, obviously, it bypasses the filter, the self-doubt filter. It also pulls the answer from the future self. So the confidence, the self-esteem, all those things come in into the mix. Very powerful question. You should ask as many times as possible. Let's look into the practical application of this. How do you do this? What's the best way to approach this? Well, 2 or 3 different scenarios. For example, take your career. What is that if there is no fear involved, and if you absolutely trust yourself, then what would you do next? Should you go talk to your boss and ask for the promotion? Should you apply for the job and go look for a job? Should you stop getting fearful that, okay, somebody in LinkedIn will see that I'm looking for a job, and then whatever, so turn the flag on, whatever it is, right? So take that one area. Look into relationships. What is the most difficult conversation you're trying to avoid? You could have that. Maybe a personal challenge. Maybe you want to lose weight, or maybe you want to bring in some new habits that you're not, or trying to quit a habit, like stop drinking or whatever, smoking, and you're not doing that, and you should do that, and you ask that question. Also, that question helps you. So I would say 2 or 3 areas you pick, you start applying this, and then create a mini challenge, a challenge where for next 24 hours, every time you're challenged, every time you are put in a situation where you're doubting yourself and your confidence is low, and you ask this question. So if you do this right, 10 to about 15 times you should be asking in a day. And that allows you to totally, every time you're challenged, it creates the frame, changes the frame, puts you makes you borrow from your future self, builds that self-esteem, gets you that confidence and get you going, and always aligns you to the possibility thinking. Okay, try this out. It's getting dark, that's why I was rushing through this. I'll try to brighten up this video and see if this looks good. But again, if this was helpful, then do me a favor, like this video, maybe make a comment. That way I know that you watched this video. But if you do subscribe to this channel, then I'm in front of you literally every day now. I've been doing that every day, and also today also I did, even though it was getting darker, I found time to get in the car and record this video. And that's all for now. So that's all for now. Wherever you are, you be safe, and I'll be with you as early as tomorrow. Bye now.